Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to look at a large room air purifier from Toppin. Air purifiers are helpful in almost any home, whether or not you have any allergies or are super sensitive to dust, like I am. This is the Toppin Comfy Air Bridge 3 True HEPA air purifier. There is a smaller version of this made by Toppin as well. And this one purifies room up to 638 square feet. So this is a closer look at the unit. On top, this is a handle, so you're able to easily move it around. It's not too heavy either. Now the company states that this air purifier works in large rooms to remove 99.97% of dust, pollen, smoke, pet hairs, and other airborne particles down to 0.3 microns in size. Now I've been using this for a couple days and I find it pretty easy to operate. The front here, as you could tell, that we do have a lot of animals in this house. On the top here, you have your control panel. Obviously, here in the middle is the power button. This does come with a handy-dandy user guide. The user guide tells you what's included in the box, which obviously you get the air purifier, the True HEPA original filter, which is pre-installed, a user kit, guide kit, a power adapter, and 3 aroma pads. This does have the capability to work with different aromatherapy oils if you are interested in that. All of the buttons here go a lot more in depth in the user guide. I'm going to go over them so you have a basic understanding of what they are, but more friends, and obviously we have a new addition to the table. So there is an air quality indicator. It'll be around here. Green obviously means good, orange is fair, red is bad. Now if you want to change the fan speed, you can press the fan button. There's low, medium, high, and auto mode. So this is on high, and then this is auto mode. And that selects the fan speed according to the ambient air quality. And then this one's low. So it's very quiet. It's not like a industrial fan is going, but you can hear it still. So the moon button here is the sleep mode. Now this has the air purifier operating quietly with all lights off except the sleep mode indicator, obviously showing you that it is in sleep mode. You can set a timer. The timer is in the top left. A timer is available for 2, 4, or 8 hours, or if you press it a 4th time you can cancel the timer. It does have a child lock, so all other buttons are not responsive once that one's on. It does have a filter life indicator, so if it says it's red or lights up red, you just have to check and replace the filter. Alright, so here's a quick overview of how you change the filter. Obviously make sure the device is turned off, and make sure it is also unplugged so you don't accidentally do anything. And you do have to turn it over. So to access the air filter, it is on the bottom. So you have to open up this handle right here, which I'm going to do this way, but the handle's there, it's at the bottom. And that will pop off. It comes off in your hands. Now this is the filter in here. This is the filter. When you first get it, you need to make sure you take the plastic off. If plastic is around it. So this is simple, how you take it out. This is a 4-layer filtration system. That's the inside. Alright, putting it back in is very simple. It's as easy as putting it back, taking it out. All you have to do is put it back in and put this part on the top. And you are good to go. The replacement filter is sold on Amazon, and I'll include the link in the description below this video. The price might change over time, so I'm not going to quote the current price. Now, I always recommend checking the availability of the price of replacement filters before purchasing an air cleaner. I did have one air purifier that became useless to me because they stopped making the filters, and in other cases the filters were more expensive. Just a couple other main features probably I didn't mention earlier. This air purifier can clean air in up to 24 minutes for any room up to about 638 square feet, and circulate air 5 times per hour in any room up to 319 square feet. This is definitely a great air purifier for a house with lots of pets. We have 4 pets. This is going to be a great addition to our home. Or anybody that suffers from severe seasonal allergies, maybe those who are very sensitive to ragweed. I know the fall season, pretty common for that to come around. So here's a 360 of the air purifier. This is the front. All around the bottom here is the intake. And on top is the output. Alright, so if you're interested in using aromatherapy oils, all you do is push this button back here and take this out. Now, all you do is put the oils right here, and that's the only place you are supposed to put them. Don't put them in the output, don't try putting them in here, put them in here. And it's fairly simple to put back as well. All you do is just make sure it's clicked in. So I quite honestly like the fact that there is a handle on top. Some of filters I've had in the past have like an awkward position in the back where you can grab onto it, or a very thin handle, but this one makes it easier for you to easily move it around the house and put it in a desired location. And I like the feature where you're able to turn off all the lights at night. Sometimes certain color lights are not good to have on while you're sleeping, and just, I mean, that if you're not used to lights on while you're sleeping, that's just not conducive to your sleep. So I do like that feature. Alright, that's a look at the Toppin Comfy Air Bridge 3 True HEPA Air Purifier. Be sure to check the description section below for more information. We appreciate your likes and comments. Thanks for watching.